Hi everyone. Today I'm going to try a brand new box and share that with you. It is the FabFitFun Box. I actually purchased this box to try it out. It was not sent to me from PR. This is a quarterly box. They have a website that's simple to use. You will select two options on whether or not you were purchasing one box at a time or paid for several boxes. And it is about $50, between $40 and $50. And you do get to choose several of the items in it. You get between 6 and 8 items, depending on the prices. Of those items, you might get a chance to select about 4 of them, which I have. This is the fall edition. It's really cute. I love how they did the box. It's always extra fun when they do the outside box. A little festive. But I will tell you from my experience on this item selection, right from the get-go, I wasn't impressed by any of the items. There was one that I actually thought was cute and I decided to buy it. For me personally, I don't know that I will be buying this box again, even before we look at it. So I think the choices are a little modern and too young for my lifestyle and the way I choose to curate items for my house. I thought that the items were very childish, and actually I already know that at least half of the box I'm gonna give to my 13-year-old girl. So I just wanted to give you my first impressions before we even open the box itself. But let's see what's inside. You might like it. This might fit your lifestyle. It's just not something that right off the bat I think I would enjoy receiving on a quarterly basis. So let's take a look at it. How lovely is this? FabFitFun. It has little leaves all over the place. So of the choices, many of them were related to obviously the fit part, you know, exercise or things that you would use as you go to the gym. Many of the items are for yourself and some are for the house. It does come with this lovely magazine, and it's talking about feast on fall flavors. So these were part of the selections, and it's blue. I could have used it, and I do need a frying pan, but I just passed on that because I just am not familiar with what their quality is yet. Your pumpkin themed bucket list, an editor's note. This is a full-on magazine, it feels like. It is all wrinkly, as you can tell. What's in your fall box? Hey, does this page look a little bit different? Last season, we were so excited to give you more customization options to choose from. Whether you pick all the beauty goodies to upgrade your skincare routine or home products to spruce up your living room, we love seeing what you choose every season to make your box, well, you. Scan the QR code below to learn more about the products in your fall box, or head to, and then they have a site for the entire customization breakdown. Yes, I guess apparently they changed their format and made you customize more this time. It talks a little bit about the member perks. When you subscribe, you're signing up for more than a box. You unlock tons of benefits which are exclusive to our members only, and here are some of your perks. And what it is you do get to purchase through the site, kind of like as a membership affiliation, several products that would be at, say, up to 70% off. So see, for example, this room right here is $44 instead of $98. Yeah, so you get to purchase items at a discounted price, which that is a perk. I do like that. They also have flash sales and add-ons. Here's the schedule of such sales. That's very handy info to have. And I will keep an eye on this and see what the items are that are going on sale and see what I think of the prices and such. It's fun. It's kind of like being part of a club like the Curateur Club, where you get to enjoy extra benefits for being part of it. They have an app, which I have not downloaded. You can add on items as you pick the items for your quarterly box. Then there's some sort of a report, some recipes. I think you just add collagen to the recipes. It's truly a magazine. This is a fun one. Skincare Layering 101. It tells you the sequence of events that you would use your skin treatment. During the questionnaire, I try to stay away from beauty products because I do receive so many beauty skincare products that I did not want to fill my basket with more beauty products. Let's look at their bucket list. A pumpkin theme bucket list. Oh my god. Fall has arrived and we have never been more ready. I do love this. Let's see. Make pumpkin spice pancakes. That sounds so yummy. Eat pumpkin soup. Yes, actually tonight my in-laws are coming over and I am roasting this pumpkin right here. I have a pork going on a slow cooker outside because I don't like the smell all over the house. I mean, I love the smell of food, I just don't like it to linger. I will be roasting this tonight and we're gonna have cheesy potatoes. My mother-in-law makes the best, so it'll be super yummy. Make a lip scrub with the pumpkin puree, coconut oil, and fine sugar. I'm gonna try that. This is fun, guys. Brighten, soothe, and exfoliate your skin with Pearless Pumpkin Ginger Mud Mask. Okay, I better start showing you the product because I don't want to spoil any of the surprises. We have, I guess it's a wine membership that you could get $60 credit for. A little discount code there too. Yay! So I will give you guys this code. I'll write the code in the description so that if you choose to get the fall box, you can get $15 off of it. So then it comes with this cute little paper again. It coordinates polka dots. I usually recycle this kind of paper and I will probably steam it so that stays nice and straight so I can use on packaging for the Christmas season. No, don't call me cheap. I'm just a little bit environmentally conscientious. Not too much, but I do my part. All right, so here are some of the items. I chose this Stojo. It's a collapsible cup with 4 reusable straws, just because I drink a ton of water all the time. My daughter will like it. Oh, hello, we're on a mission to end disposable culture. 1 reusable at a time. It can be a little bottle, a bowl, or a box. Super cute. First of all, I love the colors of the straws. They're super short. Usually I do need taller bottles, but my daughter will like it. I like the fall color on it. Let's see. It removes like so. You twist it. Here's some instruction. You just simply pull it at the base, and that's your cup right there. Just like so, to give it a stability. It's lovely. And if you're drinking a hot drink, that's super cute. Maybe for a smoothie or something, because it's super tiny. Or coffee or hot tea. It will fit in the car because it has the small base. So I chose that one. I don't remember what my other option was, but that was the one I picked. Now, because I picked that, I think they sent me similar products because these are rubberized, reusable products. This is a lunch pack. Again, I have no use for it. But it's just like a little brown paper bag, but it's reusable. How cute is that? You simply put your food in there, your sandwich, and you roll it. and lock it. Super cute. This looks yet like another reusable piece, maybe for your silverware. There's a button right here. Yep, reusable silverware so that you can take it to work. It's plastic, but it's durable plastic, so it'll probably go in the washer. HIP is dedicated to beautifully designed objects that eliminate single-use plastics. Sustainably crafted cutlery set made from wheat straw. So yeah, a cute little set. My daughter will be happy. Now I did get to pick another item. I think it was either this or a hat that I did not care for. It was like a kind of like a baseball hat with gray, and these are just fry bamboo socks for wearing with boots. I think I can definitely wear this winter. It's not cold enough here in Texas to wear boots in the fall months. So here's a beauty product. I did not order this. Revitalizing eye gels. It brightens, hydrate, and depuff. They use cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, pre-party prep. 4 individually wrapped masks. Fun. I'll save this for maybe when I travel or before a party. I say I'm not gonna buy another one of these boxes, but we'll see. They're so inexpensive. I want to say you pay, like, especially with the $15 off, you end up paying $30 for a box. And you're definitely getting $30 worth of value right here, because I still have 3 more items to go, guys. This is 4 so far. Then there is Beauty Through Asian Wisdom Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I love masks. I just think it's a fun way to pamper myself. And, you know, a fall mask, sure, why not? I am totally trying this. Maybe I'll try that tomorrow. It's oily combination, normal, even sensitive. I would be using this more for the sensitive because I do have dry skin. I might just smell it. This product I thought was super cute. I did not expect it to be this short. These are hammered copper canisters. I thought these looked great on the website. Look at that. How fun is that? Definitely a great look for my kitchen right now. I can definitely put it out there with cookies. And actually, ooh, it smells kind of funny. It smells funky. Let me see. Maybe it's the wood on top, so I'm definitely gonna let it air out. But this should be safe to consume. I do not care for products made in China. I try to stay away from it, but this is cute. I can maybe use it to keep my coffee. I have special coffee containers, but maybe my pumpkin coffee that I bought and my fall coffee. It looks cute. I'll find a place for those. Ooh. Uncommon James Home Goods. That's from the same brand of the canisters. This was a choice as well. And what it is acacia wood cheese board. Wash thoroughly before use. Polish occasionally with food grade mineral oil or beeswax to maintain luster and finish. So it does not smell as bad as the canisters. And it says Uncommon James. Just a good cheese cutting board. Sure, why not? For all your fall entertaining. Some cheese, a charcuterie, tiny charcuterie board, but something I can use in addition to the other boards I have. Wooden boards are having a moment right now in decor. People are just putting them in their kitchen in different configurations, which is super cute. So that was it. Lots of items. I got 8 items for $30. I think that was absolutely $35 maybe after. I must have used a discount. Is it worth it? Yes, you're getting lots of items for the amount of money. The selections were not my favorite. I do like something that is of a higher quality. I don't know that these are high quality items, but they're fun and thematic. I love that you have a pumpkin cream and the board for the seasons, you know, for the entertaining. All this stuff right here, I think that's just silly. Silly stuff that really I wouldn't have bought it. Even the colors are eh. If you're gonna go thematic, go ahead and stick with the thematic. Don't send me an aqua colored envelope. I don't know. That wasn't my favorite, but I can wear that. I can use the socks. Overall, next time for next season, I guess it would be the next quarter would be maybe sometime in January or December. I will look at their options and make the decision then whether or not I will purchase another one of these. Make your choice. If you think that this is something that you would have enjoyed, take a look at their website, take a look at their selections, use the discount code that's going to be in my description, and I'll see you next time.